Hey, thank you, Coach Schaefer, for encouraging me to teach myself. Those are the lessons I'm going to retain forever, so thank you.
Hi, Ms. Rucker. I just want to give you a huge shout out for all the hard work you put into the school and your students each day. You have definitely changed their lives as well as mine, and I wish we could be playing bocce ball right now.
Hey, Mr. Ziegler, thanks for the semester and change of military history. It's been my favorite class out of all of high school.
To Mrs. Seymour, you are the kindest, most honest, and most genuine person that I know. Thank you for everything that you do for your students.
Hi, Mrs. Delancey. I remember when you were a nurse down at Marsh Elementary, so it's been really special having you back at the senior high. Thank you so much for making sure that we're always safe and healthy.
Bonjour, madame. J'ai voulu vous remercier pour tout votre travail acharné. Merci de m'avoir permis d'y aller sur l'échange. Merci de m'avoir montré les revenants. Et merci de m'aider à apprendre le français. J'ai vu que vous sachiez que vous êtes apprécié. Merci beaucoup.
How's it going, Mr. Richard? Just wanted to say thank you for being an amazing teacher and being...
I like the 504 boys, I moved to the live, babe. Since I'm 12 to play, babe.
Thank you, Mr. Albright, for providing us with so many great years of music, opportunities, experiences, and memories.
Mrs. Blackburn, thank you so much for teaching me everything you have in the past 4 years. I've appreciated everything so much, and I hope you have plenty of time to hit the TBs.
Thank you so much to Mrs. Meter for taking the time to teach us skills that are really important right now in times where we have to stay inside our house.
What's up, Mrs. Billetier? It's Asa. Just wanted to thank you for doing a great job teaching our class. We had a lot of fun, and I know how much work you put into it, so we really appreciate it. Thank you.
This goes to TA Laura, who teaches 2 of the most dangerous classes, runs TSA Club, and does logistics of the band, all with very few student injuries.
Hi, Mr. Z. Thank you for letting me and my friends sit in your room every morning for the past 3 years. I'm sure you miss us so much. Have a day.
Hi, Mrs. Menley. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout my entire high school career and for always stopping in the hallways to give me a hug.
Thank you, Mrs. Nab, for giving me Advil in times of need. No, but more seriously, thank you to all of our nurses for keeping us safe and healthy at Exeter.
Hi, Miss Wetzel, it's Veronia, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for being the best club advisor and the best teacher to apprentice. You have taught me so much throughout the years, and I will always appreciate that forever.
Thank you, Mrs. Buchholz, for being such an amazing art teacher and helping me go from this to this in just 2 years of your class. Also, thank you for making us soup.
Thank you, Mrs. Fleischman, for teaching all of us girls that take Pearl's strength how to be strong both physically and mentally. Thank you, Mrs. Schubeck, for always having the best jokes, the best book recommendations, and always understanding your students.
Hi, Mrs. Lucido. I hope your quarantine is safe and happy, and we just want to thank you for always having a smiling face and putting smiles on our faces. It just really warms the school, and we miss you.
Hey, Mr. Darrow, thanks for the 2 years of woodshop. It was fun, and I got to make stuff that I was proud of, like that bow shelf back there.
Thank you, Mrs. Owens, for running the special ed department. I know you do a lot of work with your kids that other students and teachers don't always get to appreciate.
Thank you, Mr. Opalenik, for always having so much patience with all of your students.
If you are watching and happen to know a teacher that has impacted your life for the better,
Don't hesitate to reach out and give thanks during this Teacher Appreciation Week.